Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can fix USB drive not showing up or not recognized in your Windows 10. So let's start the video. First of all, you can do is just right click on the start button here and go to device manager here. And after that, scroll down a little bit and here you can see this option universal serial bus controller. Just expand this option here, and after that you can see those options. You can uninstall all this device. Just right click it and click this uninstall device option. Do this for all the USB installer, and after uninstalling it, go to action, right click it here and click scan for hardware changes, and all the driver will reappear in your USB serial bus controller here, and this will fix your problem. If this doesn't fix your problem, there is another way to solve this problem. Just here on the search version, search power and sleep settings, click it here to open, and after that go to additional power settings option here, and here on the left side you can see change when the computer sleeps. Click it here and also go to change power advanced power settings option here, and here you can see the USB settings. Click the plus icon and again click this plus icon, and here all you have to do is change this enable to disable. Just click it disable, click it disable and click apply and click OK, and this will solve your problem. So this is the video and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.